How to secure a Gmail account. Hello guys, this is Arius and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can secure a Gmail account. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step that you need to take is open up your Gmail. After you've opened up your Gmail, you can tap on the top right corner and simply, tap on it, and there you'll notice an option that says recommended actions. Now, these are the recommended actions that Google suggests you guys to make your account stronger. So tap on that and it will give you a list of stuff that you'll need to do. So as you can see right here, it will need you to first put in a sign in and recovery. That is, it will need a recovery email. So you can add that, tap on add option, and then you can simply add a recovery email. Simply choose an account and then type in the email you'll need to verify and you're good to go. After doing that, you can also add a phone number. It's a lot safer to add both of these. And even after doing that, scroll down and there you will see the safe browsing option. Tap on continue if you want to turn on safe browsing. After doing that, you're basically good to go. And then you can see where your devices are logged in. If you notice a device that is not yours, simply tap on it. And after you tap on it, you can remove that device. And that is basically it. After that, the other thing that you can do is you can check your recent activity. And doing that, those are the basic recommended actions that Google suggests. Also, you can put in multiple factor authentication and stuff like your third-party software, authenticator apps. You can do that, and by doing that, your Gmail account will be really secure. And that is basically all for today's video, guys. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.